Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Our today's topic is the portal system of frog, which is the extension of the venous system. So what is the portal system? The portal system is defined as a system of blood vessels in which veins collect blood from the different parts of the body. The blood would be deoxygenated blood like kidney or liver and drain it to the heart, obviously for filtration and then circulation. Students, set of veins which collect the blood from one organ and discharge it into another organ are called portal veins. So there are two portal systems in frog: renal portal system and hepatic portal system. At first we have hepatic portal systems. Students, remember that hepa means liver. Whenever the word hepa come, it means it relates to liver. So hepatic portal system relates to liver. The set of veins draining their blood into liver are included in hepatic portal system. Students, two veins are included in hepatic portal system. Number one is hepatic portal vein and then abdominal vein. So first we will see the functioning of hepatic portal vein. Students, those veins which collect the blood from digestive system do not carry it directly to the heart. Remember that the veins which collect the blood from digestive system would have digested food, so they would not go directly to the heart. They all join to form a hepatic portal vein. Means the veins from each organ of digestive system join and make a major vein that is called hepatic portal vein. Then this hepatic portal vein breaks up into capillaries in the liver to allow the transfer of some of the digested food into the liver for storage. Then from the liver, blood enters the postcaval, which carries it to the sinus venosus. Then sinus venosus will drain that blood in right auricle, and from there this deoxygenated blood will be dealt by the circulatory system. Students, in this picture the flow chart of hepatic portal vein function is there. You can see the hepatic portal vein, after collecting the deoxygenated blood from digestive system, goes to liver and give its digested food to liver, and then the blood would go to postcaval. The postcaval would carry it to sinus venosus, and so on. Means it will go to the circulatory system, which we already have done. Now moving towards the abdominal vein. Students, some of the blood from hind limbs is collected in an abdominal vein, which joins the hepatic portal vein in the liver and drains blood into the liver, from where it is collected by the postcaval vein. These veins are also included in hepatic portal system. You can see the flow chart. Abdominal vein joins the HPV, that is hepatic portal vein, and they would go to the liver for storage of digested food. Liver drain its blood into postcaval, and postcaval would go to sinus venosus, and then so on. Means the circulatory system is there. This is a diagram of hepatic portal system. You can see that the deoxygenated blood from spleen, stomach, intestine and pancreas is carried by the veins, and these all veins are joined to make a major vein that is called hepatic portal vein. Then we have a next system, that is the renal portal system. Renal means kidney. The word renal relates to kidneys. For example, renal failure means kidney failure. So the renal portal system would relate to kidneys. The veins which carry blood to the capillary system in kidneys constitute the renal portal system. Students, renal portal system is actually the alternate route of blood from the hind limbs is by the way of a renal portal vein. These veins begin in capillaries in the hind limbs and break up into capillaries in the kidneys. From the kidneys, this blood enters the postcaval by renal veins and ultimately return to the heart. So you can see the flow chart that the veins collect blood from all the parts of hind limb and break up into capillaries in kidney, then the blood would go to the post cavern, and then the sinus venosus, and from sinus venosus this deoxygenated blood will be drained into right auricle. In this diagram you can easily see that the renal portal vein is breaking up into capillaries in kidney. So this is the portal system of frog. Allah Hafiz.